Could we really have a fat tested road trip and not come to Hershey's Chocolate World? Let's go check it out. Hershey's Chocolate World is actually free to go into. There's free parking for up to 3 hours and quite a few awesome things to do. If you want to go to Hersheypark, make sure to check out that video. I just posted it a few days ago. All right, so if you guys can see behind me, there is a giant map, and we are going to go check out several of the things here at Hershey's Chocolate World. There is going to be a lot of good free stuff that you can do, learning about chocolate making. I don't know if you guys know this, but for over 150 years, Hershey's actually been showing behind the scenes, and I am very blessed to have a special guide today. This is Matt.
Hello.
Matt has been, how long have you been working here, Matt?
7 years.
Matt has been here for 7 years, and he's going to show me all around and join me. Make sure to answer any questions about Hershey, about the opportunities here, and also about chocolate. So you said you started as a performer.
I did. I started as a performer right here at Hershey's Chocolate World. I performed in Hershey's Unwrapped and our 4D mystery show before moving eventually over to marketing and getting to cause a bunch of seasonal chaos there.
So you guys know I love a live performance, so we're going to check that show out as well. Let's get started. We're going to get started by doing the Create Your Own Chocolate Bar. Now, this is one of those additional cost things, so we're going to have some fun with this, and we're going to do a giveaway. You do get a specific time you are supposed to be here, so make sure to come for that. We start off with the sexy chocolatier outfit. I don't think you can get this at Spirit Halloween, but so ready for the season. We've been scanned in. I just put the name and email in. So now we can make a milk chocolate, a dark chocolate, or a white chocolate. We're going to go with milk chocolate. Now we can include any of these things. I love pretzels in my chocolate. That personally, I'm a big fan. Let's add some vanilla.
This is the only place in the world you can get sprinkles on your Hershey's chocolate bar.
And pretzels and chocolate. Okay, so now we get enrobed in chocolate. And because this is the only place you can do it, we're going to add sprinkles to it. So we now have sprinkles on our chocolate bar. All right, so this is the one we're going to give away. It's got butterscotch chips, pretzel bits, chocolate cookie bits, and we've got sprinkles. So this is actually all of the chocolate being melted down. So it goes into that container there.
Yes, it goes in the container there. It melts down direct from the factory chocolate. Goes through the pipes into the screener here. Just making sure there's no foreign debris, just like we would in any of our other factories, whether it's the Reese's plant or the plant where we make our bars. Then from there, it goes through the screening device, up that white tube there, and then all the way over across above our guests' heads in that milk chocolate supply. And then it comes down right over here in the unrobing. Very cool.
So they melt the chocolate at just 86 degrees Fahrenheit, which means if you guys are, that tells you just why it melts so fast in your car. Oh. Alrighty. Matt just pointed out, even these have their own hairnets here.
No, it'll say that.
So fat tested teeth. So mine's done. I only got the two things in mine, but for this one, we're going to add some chocolate bits. Oh, and these is our butterscotch. Well, somebody's butterscotch. We'll tell you how to win in a little bit. There it comes. There's our first one.
Our sprinkler. The sprinkler is right here where it'll drop sprinkles onto each of the bars.
All right, and then here is, we're gonna get sprinkled. There they go. The only time you can get a Hershey bar with sprinkles. So now it goes into the cooling tunnel. And this is actually the longest part of the process because it has to cool down completely. This is what they look like. There they go. I think, I'm pretty sure the marketing folks might not think it's not a beautiful design, but it's my design. All right, so our packaging is done, and now we wait on the cooling. There it is. Grab it. Here's yours. All right, they're now boxed up. So here's what the final product looks like. We got 2 of them. So, and the way I want to be able to tell them apart is I put different ingredients in them right there. So this one is mine. This is the one that I made for myself. And this is the one, you know, now it's all Milton Hershey. He blended in. I thought that was a little more red, but so this one is the one that you guys are getting with the sprinkles, butterscotch chips, pretzel bites, and chocolate cookie bars. So what I need you to do is, if you'd like to grab these, if you want to be entered to win, go check out the Hersheypark free guide that I put down below. And if you guys sign up for that, I'm going to draw from out of that for anybody that gets the free color-coded guide. You'll be entered in to win your own custom fat-tested travel Hershey bar. And now it's time for Hershey's Unwrapped, a chocolate tasting journey. I'm excited for this because it's live performers, and you guys know I love a live performance. So we get a little chocolate kit for the tasting, and here is the little stage. It's very small. I was expecting like a big thing. All right, so there were 8 characters in this. I'm excited. I'm not supposed to open it yet, but that's a cool collectible too. I like that. Film the show, but that was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. You got to taste a lot of several different types of chocolate for that, and I get a nice tin to take home. I love a tin. This is great. And there was another full-size Hershey's bar in there. And I thought this was kind of the end, but no. There's all of this back here now. And Matt.
Other counter, we got everything from our tacos to a sensible rice bowl kind of vibe, but also a create your own mashed potato kind of bowl.
Interesting.
Getting cocktails right here at the bar.
Ooh, there's a bar too?
Right here, yeah. We won the IAPA Brass Ring Award in 2022 for our cocktails that are inspired by our Hershey candies.
So they just launched this this year. This is a new gelato stand. So this is the gelato. What is this exactly?
This is the Jolly Rancher Cherry Gelato.
Jolly Rancher Cherry Gelato sample. Oh my gosh. That is not what I expected. That is amazing. That is so good. Try this out. We have a songbook. That's hilarious. I love this.
Hey, and Sophia has to deal with him. Make sure you laugh at all their jokes, sing along with all their songs. We'll see you right back here in 45 minutes.
It's so great. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
Mr. Hershey was born in a house not far from here in 1857. Yeah. He learned to make candy, he made lots of money, and then he died. Thanks for riding with us again.
Okay. Guys, not the end of the story. Wilbur, is that all you have to say about the story of Milton Hershey?
Well, I thought I pretty much covered all the important parts.
Busy every day making Hershey's chocolate. The production ended here in 2012, but the Hershey Company quickly remodeled its old factory, and now it has offices for almost the entire organization.
See, I told Milton I'd try out one of these brand spanking new trolleys, so here we go!
Sir, do we know you?
No, there's no need to sir me. Folks around here call me Papa Hershey, and you can too.
Papa, as in Henry Hershey?
Yep.
Well, folks, this is Milton Hershey's father.
Oh, you've heard of my boy Milton.
Oh, we certainly have. In fact, I was just showing these folks the side of his factory.
Well, yeah, that's the side all right, and what a side it's gonna be. He tells me he'll have it finished by next year. Why, by 1905, this town will be on the map. You see, I can remember when all this was just cornfields and cows. Lots of cows. Well, that chocolate factory sure is going to improve the fragrance of this town. Oh, I saw that you're showing some folks around our town and had some young ones on board. I thought they might like some of these Hershey Kisses. I just wrapped them this morning.
That's very nice of you, Mrs.
Hershey, dear, Fanny Hershey.
So you're Mama Hershey's mother? Oh, Mrs. Hershey, it's such an honor to meet you, ma'am.
No, don't make such a fuss, dear. And please, just call me Mama Hershey. Everyone else does.
Oh, ma'am, I was wondering... Right, Mama.
That's better.
Well, Mama, I was wondering if maybe you saw anyone unusual outside. You're missing one of our conductors.
Why, I did see a unusually handsome young man racing by here a few moments ago. But don't worry, you'll find him soon enough. I told him, you young folks need to slow down and enjoy life. My Milton was like as a child, always on the go. My son loves children, you know, he just adores them. He made these Hershey Kisses just for children. Could you give me a ride to Miss Raymond's farm? It's up the road. But this milk can goes too. Miss Raymond says I should take it to the factory. I'm Timmy Bowers. What's your name?
Hi, Timmy. My name's Sophia. Did you just make a stop at Hersheypark?
Oh, yeah. You know, there's 14 guys in our house. So sometimes we come down to the park, have some swell games of baseball.
Oh, I see. So you go to the Milton Hershey School, and you live in one of the student homes.
Yep. Been there almost 5 months now. Gee, it's hard to imagine it's been that long. Things are so different here.
Where are you from, Timmy?
Well, me and my family are originally from Philadelphia, but, well, then there's this fire and all, and, well, anyway, I became an orphan more or less when my parents died. Things were kind of rough for a while. But then I came here, and now my house mom says I ate near as growing as when I got here. I gained almost 12 pounds, and I've grown too. People say I'm kind of big for my age.
Well, how old are you, Timmy?
I'm 10.
You sure are big for 10.
Thanks. Oh, hey, guess what?
What?
Last week, I had dinner at Mr. Hershey's house. Each week, they have about 10 of us guys over for dinner. Mr. Hershey and Miss Kitty are just swell, and she's kind of pretty, too. We had chicken and waffles, because that's Mr. Hershey's favorite.
Wilbur, where have you been?
Where have you been?
We've been looking all over town for you.
I've been looking all over town for you.
When you're smiling, the whole world smiles with you. When you're laughing, the sun comes shining through.
Hershey's chocolate tour. This is actually a free tour, so you can park for free, you can come here, come do your shopping, grab all your stuff, but then you can come and do this for free, and it's a dark ride.
Well, you pick which one you want to sit in, sir?
All right, it's an Omni Mover. Are there screens in the front and back?
That works.
All right. And it's plenty big enough for me and Matt.
Hey everyone, welcome aboard the Hershey's Chocolate Factory Tour. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
Well, hello. Are you giving me side eye?
That's Miss Terry.
Hey, Cupcake.
Have fun at the factory,
Oh, hey, it's Charmander. I'm wondering if I will actually know the name of all 10.
You probably will.
Okay. Oh, it's warm.
That goes the roasting. This is, in theory, our Madame Leota roll.
Oh. Okay.
From the original factory. We're really proud of it. We call it the heart of the tour ride. Even when the music's not on, you can hear those rollers churning through the liquid in there.
So, I assume not actual chocolate.
No. We wish it was.
Do they talk?
All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate and special dog bars.
Aw, thanks, Alex. That's so sweet.
Our Matt just had to head out, but I'm about to grab lunch, and I saw Reese over here. So let's go say hey to Reese. The reason they have the Pokemon in there is because they have this partnership right now. It's having a little bit of mic problems, so hopefully this is working now. But this was fantastic. I have had the best time here. Hershey has been wonderful. Potato with the brisket, it all looks amazing. We're gonna try this real quick. So they were so awesome. Look at all the stuff they hooked us up with. Us, because don't forget to make sure to get your free Hersheypark guide down below and leave a comment, and you'll be entered in to win your own custom Very Large chocolate bar, the Fat Tested Travel Chocolate. This is fantastic. The only note I have is that I wish the potato was hot. The potato's not really hot, so you're not getting everything melting together. But beyond that, all the flavors are wonderful. Kit Kat's out now. I had no plans to have this much fun at Hershey's Chocolate World, but what a great time. I definitely need to come here, especially to get the free parking, try the free ride, and if you want to do any of the add-ons, awesome, but everything else was so cool. And thank you so much to Hershey's Chocolate World for hosting me today, and for the rest of you, have a sweet day.